Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, back. I've been running around with little technical difficulties. All that's figured out now. We're back. We'll be here. We'll do the midday. We'll be out with one tonight. What I want to talk about is we got a little 4-day pullback. They have trouble holding any of it as they go down, but they keep making lower lows every day. Hey, bears, welcome to the market. They came down and they tested the area of the mid band. They bounced a little bit here. It's traded as low as 44.85 half. I really wish that had not happened at 3:15 in the morning because me, along with most people on the East Coast, we were asleep. So nice little pullback. It's been doing some directional stuff overnight. It's been doing it all week. It's been a solid trading week. There have been good opportunities every day. Yesterday's open was a little whippy, but then, a couple nice little moves to get involved with. So for a short week, it's been pretty good. We got 2 days to go. Hourly chart, and you can see, little lower high during the holiday session versus 49.5, and then they've really steadily marched down. And until the last couple of hours, they really had done a good job of holding the hourly midband as resistance. So what I'll be curious to see is, now that we've come down, we didn't touch the daily midband, but we came awful close. So I'll be interested to see if now, as this starts to point to the upside, whether this 4,500 area, because you've got the hourly midband there, 45.0366. Volume weighted average price is 4,500 half. Our proprietary moving average is 45.02 half, and the 5-minute mid is 45.04 half. So basically 4,500 to 45.05, call it. That's going to be the zone that people are going to have to deal with today, and you want to be long above that zone, and you want to be short below. If the bulls can't print stuff with 45s on it as we get into the tape, you're going to want to be short against that to see if it can come in and retest this low. The tape doesn't like lows that get made at 3:15 in the morning historically. You don't get to make big lows at 3:15 in the morning and just be like, okay, that's the low, off we go. They tend to want to come back, maybe not all the way to them, but to the zip code of testing them to make sure they're real. And they like to do that in the light of day. So be aware of that if we start to head lower. So it's about 8:35 Eastern time as I'm taping this. I really just want to watch 4,500 to 45.05. It has some potential to be directional today. But the fact that they've printed that low down there, given up the hourly midband in the last couple of hours, that's not really what you want to see out of the bears. That's typically, that kind of price action is typically the beginning of the end. I'm flat. I'm not doing anything just now, but I am watching very closely 45.05 to 4,500. And on a retest of that area that holds, you want to be long above that area and you want to be short below. All right, that's all I got. Have a fantastic morning. We'll be out with a midday. We'll be out with an evening. I'm here in New Jersey, in the office, at my desk. So the webcasts are going to be coming fast and furious. We're also working on some other really cool things. We are doing our next live training in our private Facebook group, which is free to join and open to the public, this coming Thursday, September the 16th at noon. So go check out the Facebook group. The link is on the slide that follows the video. And join up. We'd love to have you. And we'll do another live training on the 16th. The topic of which is yet to be determined. I've got a few things in the hopper. And while you're waiting for that, you can watch the last one, or if not, watch it again. The 5 things that you need to know to manage any trade, which is really going to be the springboard for a whole educational series that we're going to be doing, because I really just want to serve people and teach you guys how to do this stuff the right way versus people sitting in a vacuum, not knowing what to do with a chart, not knowing what to do, what numbers do I look at, etc., etc. Speaking of numbers, some people roll today, I don't. I will roll tomorrow into the December contract from the September contract, and we'll talk about that a little bit more tomorrow. Not a huge deal, But if you use stuff like Thinkorswim and all of a sudden your chart gaps, it just means that the continuation chart, not the front month contract chart, which is what we've got here, but if you just use /ES, they're going to adjust that price to December. It's not going to affect any trade that you're in, but if you've never seen it before, it will scare the shit out of you. So have a great day. See everybody at the midday. Be well, trade them well. Talk to you then.